Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking with Tag Assistant step by step clearly. Open the Google Ads platform in your web browser. Navigate to the Tools and Settings menu located in the upper right corner. Select Conversions under the Measurement section. Click the blue plus button to add a new conversion action. Choose the type of conversion you want to track, such as website, app, phone calls, or import. For website conversions, select Website. Select the specific actions on your website you want to track, such as purchases or signups. Fill in the required details for this conversion action, including name, value, and count. Click Create and Continue to proceed to the next step. Choose the implementation method, selecting Use Google Tag Manager or install the tag yourself. If using Google Tag, now, open a new tab and log in to your Google Tag Manager account. Select the container for your website. Click Tags in the left menu, then click on New to create a new tag. Choose Tag Configuration and select Google Ads Conversion Tracking as the tag type. Paste the conversion ID and label from Google Ads into the respective fields. Set the trigger for when this tag should fire, typically on a confirmation page or a specific button click. Save your tag and publish your changes to the container. Next, download and install the Google Tag Assistant extension for your browser. Once installed, navigate back to your website where the tag is implemented. Click on the Tag Assistant extension icon and activate it. Refresh your web page to see the tags that are active. Click on the Tag Assistant icon again to view the details of the Google Ads conversion tag. Check that the status indicates the tag is firing correctly. If there are any issues, revisit Google Tag Manager to troubleshoot the tag configurations. Once everything looks good, return to your Google Ads account. Go back to the Conversions section and verify that the conversion action is receiving data. This may take some time, so check periodically to ensure tracking is functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.